channel. I know this is not my regular uploading day, but I am kind of overwhelmed with a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to start uploading just once a week on Wednesdays, and we'll see how that works out. But my video today is a little bit fun. It's going to be very embarrassing, is how I did my makeup in high school, so let's begin. With no primer, absolutely no primer. We had no idea what primer was in high school. So we're going to use our Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation and our fingers. Yay. And we're just gonna smear this all over. Now, granted, in high school, well, first of all, I was raised by my grandparents, so first little bit of information there. They did not really like makeup. My grandma didn't really like makeup, so I never really got taught how to do it. I kind of was on my own. So there's our foundation. And now I don't have my Coty Airspun powder, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And we're just gonna, yep. Probably isn't going to be a very long video, considering I didn't do much in high school. Now, we are going to take our mascara, if I can get it open. I think I got it. There we go. And we're just going to do a little bit. Gotta make sure those lashes are nice and clumpy as well. I'm gonna have to do something with my brows, I guess, because I didn't have brows like this in high school. I'm just gonna grab, I don't have the palette I used in high school because that was from Hot Topic and it got thrown away a long time ago, so I'm just gonna use this, and that's the only color we're using today. We're going to take our sponge tip applicator, press it into that black, and draw a line here. And we're going to draw a line right here. Just a line, nothing else, it's just a line. We're not going to blend it in or anything. No contour, we didn't know contour or blush or highlight or any of that. Oh, that line's way up there, but that's very accurate. Thank you, sponge tip applicator. You can go die in a hole now. I'm going to take our pencil liner, and we're going all the way in that waterline, all the way in. What are we going to do with the brows? Let's see if I can recreate how my brows looked in high school. Yep, that's pretty accurate. Pretty much how it went. Oh, and my eyebrows have to be uneven, of course. And I didn't actually do anything to my eyebrows in high school. This is just how my eyebrows grow. My eyebrows are monstrous. And my mom plucked my eyebrows once, and after that I said I would never pluck them again. Which was wrong, but at the time, I didn't pluck my eyebrows. Yeah, that's pretty much how my eyebrows actually look. I have, like, the worst eyebrows. And then we are going to take an obnoxiously colored lipstick. I'm using Popsicle Dream from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. 1 second. Sorry, I had to deal with the child. Anyway, back to the lipstick. I wouldn't actually follow my top lip line. I would push the tip of the lipstick up and make them pointy. Oh Lord. Looking, like, doing this makeup now. Oh God. Oh, and no setting spray either. Of course, we didn't know setting spray, so. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I did? Oh, there was. We're gonna go back into this Brazil palette and hopefully there's a shade in here that'll work. This white shimmery shade down at the bottom. This is what we did. Aren't we gorgeous? Oh my God. Let's take a moment to be thankful for the progress that I have made. And a moment of silence for the people who had to be around me when I looked like this. Alright, so yeah, this is how I did my makeup in high school. Scary. And I thought I looked great. So this just goes to show that growth can happen with practice. We can get better. But I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys got a good laugh at how I used to do my makeup. And I'm not fabricating these brows, by the way. This is actually how my eyebrows look. It's sad. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next on my channel. Give me a subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I hope everybody has a good day. Bye.